Have you ever tossed and turned for hours on end, staring at the ceiling wondering why sleep seems like a distant dream? Or maybe you've woken up feeling groggy and unrefreshed even after a full night's rest. If you relate to these scenarios, then it's time to unlock the secrets of exceptional sleep with our guide on how to transform your nights into rejuvenating experiences. Welcome back to our platform, where we unlock the latest scientific discoveries and groundbreaking research to bring them straight to you. And today, we delve into the fascinating world of sleep optimization. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our life-changing content. Picture this: it's late at night, and you're struggling to drift off to sleep. You've tried counting sheep, but they seem to be playing hide and seek and winning. You find yourself enveloped in darkness, enveloped in silence, yet wide awake. Suddenly, just when you thought sleep was a distant dream, you remember something. There's a technique, a secret weapon against insomnia, a proven method for transforming your nights. In the realm of sleep optimization, consistency is key. And we're not talking about those New Year's resolutions that seemed like a good idea at the time, but slipped to the bottom of your priority list. No, we mean establishing a consistent sleep schedule and sticking to it religiously. Think of it as creating your very own non-negotiable bedtime ritual. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up without the jarring alarm. But why is this so important? Well, when your body's internal clock is well regulated, it produces the right amount of hormones at the right time, promoting better sleep. It also helps maintain healthy levels of alertness during the day, ensuring you're energized and focused. As the sun begins its descent, signaling the end of another day, it's time to initiate your nightly routine. Start by dimming the lights to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Engage in relaxing activities such as reading a book or listening to calming music. These activities help calm your mind and prepare you for sleep. To further enhance your relaxation, try deep breathing exercises, focusing on deep inhales and slow exhales. This can help reduce stress and promote feelings of tranquility. Additionally, consider practicing progressive muscle relaxation, which involves tensing and releasing different muscle groups to alleviate physical tension. By incorporating these practices into your nightly routine, you can effectively relax your body and mind, setting the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Your mattress and bedding play a crucial role in determining the quality of your sleep. Investing in a comfortable mattress that provides adequate support can make all the difference. A supportive mattress helps maintain proper spinal alignment, reducing discomfort and promoting better sleep. Similarly, choosing the right pillows and bedding can add to your overall comfort and sleep quality. Consider using breathable, soft, and hypoallergenic materials to minimize allergies and skin irritation. Creating a comfortable sleep environment is essential for a restful night's sleep. It's no secret that the blue light emitted from our screens can interfere with our natural sleep cycles. That's why it's crucial to limit screen time, particularly on electronic devices, 1 hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted from these devices can suppress the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. By reducing screen time, you allow your body to produce melatonin naturally, promoting better sleep. Additionally, using screens before bed can overstimulate your brain, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Instead, engage in other relaxing activities, such as reading a book or stretching. By minimizing distractions and allowing your body to wind down, you'll be well on your way to a peaceful night's sleep. Maintaining a cool bedroom temperature is vital for a comfortable night's sleep. The ideal temperature range is between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. When your bedroom is too warm, it can lead to discomfort and excessive sweating, disrupting your sleep. On the other hand, a room that is too cold can cause you to feel sluggish and affect blood circulation, By keeping your bedroom at a slightly cooler temperature, you create an environment that promotes better sleep quality and energy levels. Consider using breathable bedding and lightweight pajamas to further enhance your comfort. Remember, a cool and well-ventilated bedroom can make all the difference in achieving a restful night's sleep. Grounding techniques can significantly enhance your sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety. One effective method is earthing, which involves direct skin contact with the earth. Take a walk barefoot on grass or soil to connect with the earth's natural energy. Another technique is using grounding mats or sheets while sleeping, which are conductive materials that allow free electrons from the earth to flow through your body. Grounding helps reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and promote relaxation, all of which contribute to better sleep. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and deep breathing exercises before bed can enhance the grounding effect, calming your mind and preparing your body for a peaceful night's sleep. These simple yet powerful methods have the potential to revolutionize your sleep experience, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated each morning. But wait, there's more. As you continue watching, we'll reveal an additional tip that can take your sleep to the next level. Did you know that the health of your plants could hold the key to unlocking deeper, more rejuvenating sleep? Yes, you heard that right. Plants, those silent green companions in your home, can actually play a significant role in enhancing your sleep quality. But how exactly can they do this? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of biomimicry and discover how plants can inspire us to achieve better rest. Imagine your bedroom as a living ecosystem where plants work tirelessly to purify the air, removing toxins and replacing them with fresh, revitalizing oxygen. As you slumber peacefully, these silent guardians silently work to create a healthier environment for you, allowing you to breathe deeply and comfortably throughout the night. But the benefits don't stop there. Plants have a remarkable ability to regulate humidity levels, maintaining a comfortable balance in your bedroom's atmosphere. This natural humidification can soothe dry sinuses and airways, helping you breathe more easily and reducing snoring and sleep apnea risks. Now, let's explore a fascinating aspect of plants that can directly impact your sleep quality, your circadian rhythms. Just like humans, plants have internal biological clocks that regulate their growth and metabolism. This means they go through periods of growth and rest, mirroring our own sleep cycles. By having plants in your bedroom, you can synchronize your body clock with the natural environment they create, promoting better sleep patterns and a more regular sleep schedule. Incorporating plants into your bedroom can also reduce stress and anxiety levels, creating a sense of tranquility and calmness. The mere presence of greenery has been proven to have a therapeutic effect on the mind, helping you relax and unwind after a long day. To maximize the benefits of plants for sleep, choose the right ones for your bedroom. Opt for low-maintenance, non-toxic plants that thrive in low-light conditions. Snake plants, spider plants, and ZZ plants are excellent choices. Additionally, consider using essential oil diffusers with sleep-promoting essential oils such as lavender and chamomile. Not only will your plants help purify the air, but the soothing scents will contribute to a relaxing atmosphere. Remember, these plant-powered sleep solutions are not just trendy, they're backed by science. Research has shown that improved air quality and reduced stress levels can lead to better sleep. By embracing the power of plants, you can turn your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. So why wait? Add some green companions to your bedroom and experience the transformative power of nature on your sleep. As you embark on your journey towards sleep optimization, we encourage you to delve deeper into the science of sleep and explore additional resources. You can check out our comprehensive guide on the best mattress for deep sleep for a detailed look at how your sleep circus can impact your restfulness. And if you want to learn more about the fascinating world of biomimicry and how nature can enhance your life, be sure to explore our other videos on the topic. We recommitted to bringing you the latest research and practical tips to help you live a better life based on scientific evidence. So stay tuned and keep exploring with us. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with valuable insights and practical advice to enhance your life. Our channel is dedicated to making science accessible and engaging, and we'd love to have you as part of our community. Stay curious and keep learning with us.